I was definitely looking to see if the attendees had badges. Such a lost opportunity. Exactly, such a lost opportunity. Don't do that, please, people, don't.
Is my mic working?
Yes, now.
I understand that at 6 p.m. all the chairs are going to be taken away, so enjoy the last 10 minutes of being seated. And I will try to go really fast because I also think that we are a little bit late on the schedule. So let's hope that the slides are showing up soon. Day of the bad adapters and the slow schedules. Yeah, but then let's use this one. A USB what? No. Kevin? Is Kevin around? Yeah, it's a proper Apple adapter, so... No, I just wonder if everybody can see if I maybe present like this. Yeah? Thank you. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I guess the projector is tired. Sure. And then I'll do, I also have a demo, but I can do it from another computer, just not the demo one. Yeah, if yours is working. Yeah, sure.
Live, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, we are having a change in the schedule. And we are going to try to test the projector with other adapters. And there's a news from the backstage of, we did negotiate a few more minutes, but I guess everyone at the end will try to pack the chairs. So we do have a bit more time. We're going to have to talk.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, we do. Let's roll.
Awesome. All right. Sorry for the late fill-in. Let me check if everything's okay. I guess so. Cool. Let me just get my thing in as well, so I can present a little bit smoother. I'll tell you about myself while I do that. Cool. So I'm Elian. I work at Astro in the developer experience team. I'm also a household figure at React Brussels and BJS in Belgium. And I organize my own meetups under the name devs.ghent, which is, of course, in Ghent in Belgium. I have to go fast, by the way, because we don't have a lot of time. So I will speak fast, but I'll publish the slides later so you can see it all later. So Astro, what is Astro? Who knows Astro? Quite some people, okay, but that's good. I'm here to hype you up about it. Astro is this JS meta framework. It's very familiar. It looks like HTML and JSX on superpowers. Everything in the top, the dash is there. That's called the front matter. You can just write any normal JavaScript or TypeScript there. And everything below is JSX. Cool. It's ideal for content-heavy websites. It brings some twists with that, though, being it ships 0 kilobyte of JavaScript by default. Everything looks like this these days. Next.js, Nuxt, a couple of other meta frameworks. You all know them. But actually, we want something more like this, where you don't have any components that don't require JavaScript to ship JavaScript. For instance, the footer. It's all static links. So why do we ship JavaScript to them? Of course, there is a twist. With Astro, it is possible to ship it. We call it islands. We select our own components that we want to ship JavaScript to, and we ship it just there. You can use any framework that you want on top of Astro, being it Vue, Svelte. We don't make any assumptions. You bring your framework, we'll do the rest in the back. It's super optimized. It's super fast for static content, for applications. It works. It's really good. 2023 was a crazy year. We did a lot of stuff. In January this year, some of you probably remember it, we shipped Astro 2 with a new CLI. CLI, an amazing tool, works great. It actually looks like this, still till today. It's awesome. Like, look at Houston, it's so cool. This also actually resulted in another library called Clack. So you can use it in your own projects, like how our CLI looks can be yours too. We shipped content collections. Content collections are this new way of working with authoring content in any Markdown format or MDX. And it's completely type safe. We use Zod for that. It kind of looks like that. Your browser, your IDE brings everything that you need because you have type safety. We brought hybrid rendering. I'm not going to go into that because it's a lot. But hybrid rendering just means that you can use API endpoints in a mostly static website or the other way around. With the use of V4, we actually were able to improve our renderings, our builds, with 33%, which is a lot. We brought a completely new design for our branding, but probably you don't care a lot about branding. So we also brought it to the browser. If you have any errors, we'll just show them to you, show us a possible solution, and make it readable for you. Then a little bit later, this August, we shipped Astro 3. And Astro 3 has a lot of amazing features, like view transitions. View transitions kind of look like this. It's a very like SPA behavior in an MPA website. It looks awesome, feels awesome. Craziest about all of this is that it's actually only 2 lines of code. And that is crazy. We brought you Edge middleware. In Astro, you can run anything on the edge, making it faster for your user, your end user, to experience your website. We brought you image optimizing. You can just do it in a couple lines of code. Your whole image is optimized and looks like a WebP image. With Astro 3 against Astro 2, we were able to make a 75% improvement in just performance. That's crazy because Astro 2 was already 33% faster than Astro 1. We also brought you fast refresh, which means that any JSX framework you use, being it Solid, Preact, or React, actually doesn't lose the state while updating. Whereas, for instance, with React out of the box, you lose your state. We all have been there, clicking modals to test them, and then they disappear if you make a change. Then we launched this amazing new docs theme called Starlight. And Starlight is actually something that we learned from writing docs for Astro, built into its own framework. So if you want to write docs, this possibly is the best way to do it for now. But of course, we always get this question. You are shipping all these amazing features. What else? What's coming next? Well, Thursday, we released page partials. Page partials looks like this. You can just ship your page components as being partial, so they won't ship any doc-type HTML, no head, no anything, just the simple HTML. And what this actually enables is, for instance, use with something like HTMX, which is awesome. We brought you a new picture component. It's still experimental in Astro 3.3. We have docs in it. It works like the same thing as the image optimization does, but with a picture component and multiple formats. We brought you a dev overlay. Well,